Welcome, my name is Dhanujan and welcome to Car King. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up dashcam using macOS Catalina, Windows 10, and from your Tesla. I hope you guys enjoy the video. To set up the dashcam using your car, you go into the storage and plug your USB into one of the USB ports. Then press on the car icon and go to Safety and Security and go down to Dashcam. Then press Format USB Device. And then it will pop up with this message and you press Format. Now it's formatted. As you can see, it says that it's recording. Now I'm going to show you how to format your USB drive using Windows 10. First, go on the Windows place and then search up Computer Management. Now that you got onto Computer Management, go to Disk Management and then go to your USB drive. Then right click on the USB drive and press Format. Then format it to FAT32. And remember that when you format it, it will erase all the data on the USB drive. Now all you need to do is make a folder saying Tesla Cam just like this. Now that you formatted it to FAT32, you can plug it into your car and it will start recording. Just like I showed when I showed you how to format it on the car itself. Now I'm going to show you how to format your USB drive on macOS Catalina. First, go up top and go to Spotlight Search. Then search up Disk Utility. Now that you're on Disk Utility, go to your USB drive and then press Erase. Then you can name your USB drive if you want to, and then on the format, put MS-DOS FAT. That's FAT32. Now press Erase. Now just let it do its thing. There you go. Now it's done. Now go onto your USB drive and then you need to create a new folder called Tesla Cam. Then your Tesla will recognize it. Now you can just plug in your USB drive into your Tesla just like I showed when I showed you how to format it on the car. Now that you have a USB drive plugged in, Sentry Mode will be recorded. When you press the dashcam button while you're driving, it will record 10 minutes back. Thank you for watching today's video on how to set up dashcam using Windows 10, macOS, and right on your Tesla. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll not miss a Car King video again. Bye!